Hey everyone! If you want sweet, juicy corn fast, you're gonna want to stick around. Today I'm sharing the fastest growing corn variety you can plant right now, plus a few sneaky hacks to boost your harvest and make sure you know exactly when to pick those ears for the best flavor. Let's dig in. If you're impatient like me and want corn as soon as possible, you're going to love early Sunglow corn. This variety is one of the fastest maturing sweet corn types out there, ready to harvest in as little as 60 days. That's right, just 2 months from seed to table. Early Sunglow is super sweet, handles cooler temps better than most, and it's perfect for small gardens or raised beds. You can even succession plant it for multiple harvests in one season. Here's a quick hack to get your corn growing fast and strong. Soak your corn seeds overnight before planting. It softens the outer shell and gives them a head start. Then plant them about 1 inch deep and 3 to 6 inches apart in rich, loose soil. Keep your soil consistently moist, not soaked, just moist. Corn loves nitrogen, so give it a DIY fertilizer boost about 2 weeks after the stalks pop up. You can make a homemade tonic by mixing 1 tablespoon of fish emulsion, 1 tablespoon of molasses, a gallon of water. Spray that right at the base of your plants every 2 weeks for a serious growth kick. As the corn matures, you'll want to watch the tassels and ears closely. Here's how to know it's harvest time. When the silks turn brown and dry out, and you can feel the ear is full and firm, peel back just a little husk and press your fingernail into a kernel. If a milky liquid comes out, it's go time. If it's clear, wait a few more days. If there's no liquid, you're late to the party. Once you harvest, eat or freeze your corn right away. Early Sunglow is super sweet, but that sugar starts turning to starch fast. So the fresher, the better. Early Sunglow corn gives you fast results, and with a few little tricks, like seed soaking, a DIY growth tonic, and timing your harvest, you'll be enjoying fresh corn in no time. Ever wish you could enjoy fresh, sweet corn all summer long, not just for a couple of weeks? That's where succession planting comes in. Succession planting means sowing new batches of corn seeds every couple of weeks instead of planting them all at once. This simple method keeps your corn harvest coming steadily, so you won't be overwhelmed with too much at once, or left wishing you had more after your first crop is done. Here's why succession planting is a game changer for maximizing your yield. By staggering your plantings, you extend your harvest window, minimize gaps between crops, and make the most of your garden space. Plus, it helps you dodge issues like pests and unpredictable weather that can hit all your plants at the same time. So, how do you do it? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Choose your corn varieties. For continuous harvests, stick with fast-maturing types like early Sunglow, or mix in varieties with slightly different maturity dates. This way, your corn doesn't all ripen at once. Step 2. Prep your soil before each planting. Corn is a heavy feeder, so refresh your beds with compost or a balanced organic fertilizer between each round. Make sure your soil stays loose and well drained for those roots to grow deep and strong. Step 3. Time your plantings. Start your first batch as soon as the soil warms up in spring, usually when nighttime temps stay above 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Then plant a new round every 10 to 14 days up to midsummer. Just remember, each planting needs enough time to mature before your first fall frost. Step 4. Space your rows. To avoid shading out new seedlings, plant your next batch in a different spot or on the opposite side of your bed. Rotate your planting spots if you can, and always give each plant plenty of sun. Step 5. Water and feed consistently. Each new planting needs steady moisture, especially during germination and as ears fill out. Keep up with your DIY fertilizer and mulch around your plants to lock in moisture and keep weeds down. Step 6. Harvest as you go. Use the same tips from before. Check the silks, the firmness of the ears, and that milky kernel test. Pick only what you'll eat or freeze right away for the best flavor. With a little planning and these simple steps, you can enjoy fresh, homegrown corn week after week, all season long. If you're excited to try succession planting, let us know in the comments and share your favorite corn varieties for a never-ending harvest. Happy growing!